Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing The Greatest Minds and Ideas of All Time by Will and Ariel Durant. And trust me, this book is like a crash course in human brilliance. The Durants were masters at making history exciting, and this book is no different. It's a short but powerful read that highlights some of the most influential thinkers, artists, and leaders in history. What I love is how they break it down. It's not just facts and dates. They celebrate the ideas that shaped humanity, from philosophers like Plato to creative giants like Shakespeare. It feels like less reading a history book and more like having a conversation with a wise friend. One section that I really stuck with me was about how these great minds weren't just smart, they were driven by curiosity and passion. And honestly, it's inspiring. You walk away feeling like you can tap into the same energy in your own life. It's the kind of book you want to revisit whenever you need a boost of inspiration. Plus, it's written in such a simple, engaging way that anyone can enjoy it. I can't recommend it enough. Grab your copy on Amazon, the link is in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Audible trial. Thank you so much for watching.